Hello everyone. Once you choose hope, anything is possible. Today, let us meet a personality who's proven the world that anything is possible by anyone. This is Imran, who wants to represent India in 2024 Paralympics. Let's get to know Imran. So, Imran, why did you take up shooting?
I happen to be a sports enthusiast who was very fond of doing different activities, and shooting. I just gave a try. I happened to come down to PNSA after trying different sports, and it really excited me after speaking to Prakash sir. So I thought I'll stick to shooting.
Who is your inspiration?
My dad happened to be a great inspiration for me from childhood. He gave me a good teachings, and from his side he had lot of insights to share. He would be the first person who inspired me, and as I grew up I was inspired by Dwayne Johnson with his physique and the way he was in the sport, and at the different level he had to contribute to WWE. So it was quite inspiring, and then the third person would be Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who was very composed and calm, and they all happen to have a great share of contribution to inspire me. And the last person, I would say, a year ago when I came down to meet Prakash sir, I really don't forget that moment. He gave me the strength and the potential that I have, and he can really bring it up. That support which he extended was awesome, and I really got inspired by these people.
Have you ever felt diverted from your goal, and how did you get it back?
There are times we feel diverted, and a lot of emotions and different circumstances which arise in our life, but as I come from a software field, and there are a lot of learnings I had in my life. To grow to a certain level in a software industry took a lot from me, and it had a lot of teachings which help day to day, in life. Day to day I get to be composed, and I can stick to what I have to do, and I generally feel I'm a very still and a very composed person who generally don't get diverted. And when it comes to shooting, I have to show a lot of calmness, and show the composure to the world, and that's how we get to score better and get to do better in terms of getting successful. So it is quite less for me to be diverted. Yes, when it happens, it's quite human, and I stay very focused and put myself back on track whenever it happens.
Is there any achievement that you dream about every day?
Dream lot of things. Yes, I have lived those, I would say. I started dreaming becoming a software engineer who works on a global giant. Yes, I achieved it, and I dreamt about driving a car, being I won't call handicap, but a differently abled person. I do things not with a great pace, but I do it 100%. So there are many dreams which I have lived, And the next dream which I want to fulfill is being a shooter and get not one medal, many medals for the country, and play for different events. And finally, a little greedy and want to become world number one. As I have started with 10-meter rifle shooting, and I participate in two events, standing and prone in 10 meters. Definitely, I dream of getting some goals for these events. And apart from these, there is 50-meter rifle shooting. There is standing and prone as well. So I dream all of this, and not only, as I mentioned earlier, not only one medal. I want to get several for my country.
Who is Imran without shooting?
A perfectionist who is very particular about achieving things 100% with least errors and with utmost cleanliness, with finesse. So that's my self. And apart from that, I'm an ambidextrous who has a lot of skills to showcase, not only one. So I have been doing that, and an extrovert who loves talking to people, who's a language lover, not one language. Yes, I do speak few languages, and learning few. To name, I speak most of the South Indian languages except Malayalam. So hopefully I will learn that. And to grow even further, I speak or I want to speak French and Spanish, something which I love about. It's all about learning new languages and learning new culture, interact with people. So there is a lot in me, and quite outgoing person who doesn't want to stop.
What would you like to say to the people?
As I have taken up shooting, it gives a lot of responsibility, or it adds on a lot of responsibility in me. It is not easy to stay composed, calm, and stick to your aim and focus into it. So there is a lot which shooting teaches. So I would definitely encourage people to be a sports athlete, irrespective of any sport. They should start contributing, and it adds on a lot of value to their lives. So definitely, sports is something people have to look at and try to improve their abilities, skills, in terms of a lot of contribution to the country. And as Indians, we should always focus to grow big and contribute in a world stage.
We from Hearts value everyone's emotion, and we are proud to meet you, Imran. We wish you all the best in achieving your goals, and also we would love to see you in Paralympics 2024. This is Hearts, and we value our emotions.